Hello guys, this is Rishabh and I'm legal intern in the Lexis and Company. Today's topic is on our Finance Commission. What is Finance Commission of India? Finance Commission is a constitutional body for the purpose of allocation of a certain revenue resources between the union and the state government. It was established under the Article 280 of the Indian Constitution by the Indian President. It was created to define the financial relation between the center and the state. It was formed in 1951, which article deals with the Finance Commission of India. Article 280 of the Indian Constitution. President, after 2 years of the commencement of Indian Constitution, and therefore of every 5 years, has to constitute a Finance Commission of India. It shall be duty of the Commission to make a recommendation to the President related to the distribution between the union and the state of the net proceeds of tax are to be or may be divided between them, the allocation between the state of the respective share of such proceeds. The principles which should be governed the grants in aid of the revenue of the state out of the consolidated fund of India. Any other matter referred to the Commission by the President in the interest of sound finance, the Commission shall be determine their procedure and shall have such power in the performance of their function as a Parliament may be a law conferred on them. Note: President can also be constitute a Finance Commission before the expiry of 5 years, as it considered unnecessary. Article 281 of Indian Constitution. It is related to the recommendation of the Finance Commission. The President to lay the recommendation made by Finance Commission and its explanatory memorandum before each House of Parliament. To read more on the important article of the Indian Constitution, you may check the Article 280 of Constitution of India. Who constitute the Finance Commission of India? President constitutes the Finance Commission every 5 years or on the time considered unnecessary by him. What is the composition of Finance Commission of India? Finance Commission Chairman and the member. Chairman head the commission and presides over the activities. He should have had a public affair experience for members. The Parliament determine legally the qualification of the member of the commission and their selection methods. What are the functions of the Finance Commission of India? Functions of Finance Commission makes a recommendation to the President of the India. The net tax proceeds distribution to be divided between the center and the state, and the allocation of the same between the states. The principle governing the grants in aid to state by the center out of the consolidated fund of India. The step required to extend the consolidated fund of a state to boost the resources of the panchayats and the municipalities of the state on the basis of recommendation made by the State Finance Commission. Any other matter referred it by the President in the interest of sound finance. The Commission decides the basis for sharing the divisible taxes by the center and the state, and the principle that govern the grant in aid to the states every 5 years. Any matter in the interest of sound finance may be referred to the Commission by the President. The Commission recommendation along with the explanatory memorandum with regard the action done by the government on them are laid before the House of the Parliament. The Finance Commission evaluates the rise in the consolidated fund of state in order to affix the resources of the state panchayat and municipalities. The Finance Commission has sufficient power to exercise its function within its activity domain as per the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. The Finance Commission has the power to civil court. It can call witness, ask the production of the public documents on record of any office or court. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you understand what is Finance Commission and in which article it is given. It is given in 280 article of the Indian Constitution. and you listen about what is Finance Commission work. And thank you very much to listening.